Walk down any busy street and you will notice that the best posters don't make you read a wall of text, they instantly grab your eyes. Hello, future designers. Let's talk about the secret framework behind every high-converting flyer, establishing a powerful visual hierarchy. When a person looks at your poster, their eyes should naturally follow a specific path. In Canva, you achieve this by dividing your text into 3 distinct tiers. Your first tier is the headline, which needs to be the largest, boldest font on the page to declare exactly what the event or offer is. Your second tier consists of subheadings that provide essential context, like